Plant-Based Foodies with Chef Adanus, and today we are in Orlando at Leguminati. This is the Vegan Eatery, and I cannot wait to come to show you guys what they're cooking up. Stepping into here really gave me such a down-to-earth vibe. Everyone that came in was super nice, the staff was super sweet, and the menu was super simple. I felt like it was easier to make up my mind, even though it kind of wasn't. And out of all the great choices, I chose a blackberry cider for my drink. It is amazing, guys. You have to try it. There weren't any vegan donuts today, but they are available on Saturdays. There was more than enough seating in the area, and as you can see, this was where I got to have my first sip of the blackberry cider. Blackberry galore. It was amazing. And there's so much seating, it's extra seating. Outside, such a great ambiance. This is actually where I decided to eat. I love this garden. I seen peppers there. I seen some beautiful kale. I seen just like a slew of things. It was so beautiful. Look at this. This was my absolute favorite. Took so many pictures here. And here's the star of the show. This was the chicken Parmesan. Oh my gosh. Just take a look. Okay guys, so first of all, I want you to see the fullness. Do you guys see this? No, I gotta give you a close-up. Yes. I was so undecided on what to eat because they had so many good options, which kind of made me feel like I'm gonna probably take one to go. I'll have one tomorrow, and I'm definitely gonna have to come back because there were just kind of like too many options to choose from. But this one is the chicken Parm. It has vegan ricotta, vegan chicken. I mean, enough talking. It's time to eat. Wow. Wow. Can you see the ricotta coming out of there? Okay. I mean, the texture, spot on. This marinara, spot on. I'm literally going to take a piece of this chicken out. It's breaded really good. Look at this. Wow. Wow. I'm messy. This is really good. Okay, for one, you can't tell me this ricotta is not literally identical to the ricotta cheese that we all remember and know of. This right here is spot on. And then like the texture of the vegan chicken and the way it's breaded, it reminds me exactly of what like a Parmesan, like, you know, chicken parm, exactly what it would be like. You know how sometimes. Okay guys, so here is a blackberry cider. If you know anything about me, you know I love like
carbonated drinks. I love sparkling water, sparkling wine, sparkling cider, champagne, anything that sparkles, anything that gives me that nice bubbly feel. I am like all in. I'm really excited to taste this, so I'll let you guys know just how amazing the cider is, right? Oh wow. Ooh. Blackberry. Oh my gosh. If you guys come here, which I think you should, you'd enjoy it. This is like a really quick meal. To me, this is like a really cool lunch or a quick dinner. Very casual, dressed down as you see me. This is perfect. And I'm actually out back, okay, which I think is so cute. I'm definitely gonna have to show you guys. I really enjoyed it. I can just imagine me here with a bunch of friends, a bunch of family. This is a really nice, to me, like a luncheon, or like I said, an easy dinner place. I definitely come. Guys, they even have this really cute garden with different veggies and herbs and spices in there. It looks so cute. The atmosphere is just so amazing. I absolutely love it. It's such a chill vibe. Like, it's very, very chill. We got the lights up. You can lounge if you want. There's a lot of seating options, and it's very spaced out, so you kind of feel like everybody has their own individual space while all vibing together. I absolutely love it. If you ask me, I'm going to tell you a place where you can eat. You see people here studying, you see people here just enjoying conversation, enjoying food, enjoying laughs. I'm going to tell you that Leguminati is definitely a place. You want to be casual, you want to be chill, you want to just have a nice, relaxed vibe. Definitely make sure you check this place out, and make sure you remember, I told you so. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this with your friends, your family, anyone that you know that's interested in vegan food, or honestly just an alternative option to the norm. Definitely make sure you check out Chef Adanus.